over here, so we just drive around Jamaica and we just chat a bag of things. Sometimes we chat foolishness, you understand?
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as I just heard in the intro. And yeah, right about now, people, what happened? I think this is Michael Manley Highway. Yeah. And from left over here, so it's a scheme them called Manley Meadows. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe Michael Manley did it. Probably. That's why I name off him, probably. People will have the information, they can make me know exactly what to pray. You understand? Yeah, so right about now, my people, I just want to shout out to all of my subscribers. Them new people them over here, welcome. 876 by birth. So the channel name over here, so we just drive around Jamaica and we just chat a bag of things. Sometimes we chat foolishness, you understand? Yeah, but welcome to the family, man. Alright, what you going now? If it is that you're always watching the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, consider me I say, well, you can subscribe, you know? Yeah, you can subscribe. If you always watch my channel and you never yet subscribe, man. You always watch it, you ever click like on the video, them and all of them something there. Subscribe to the channel, man, you understand? Yeah. You don't know anything, man. You understand? Yeah, my people. So right about now we are head to around 7 Mile Bulby, right off there. So why the man you drive so? Yo, why I don't know more time them people here. But anyways, people, we are head to 7 Mile Bulby, you understand? Yeah. It's a Saturday morning and we know we're on a little journey and we are head out there, so yeah. So I say we are approach East Kingston basically. Yeah. And that's the pre. Do apologize if the glare from the sun affect the video, alright? Yeah. Yeah, man, I do apologize. The glare is affecting the video. You understand? Yeah, I'm going to take good time because sometimes police go out there, so you know, and the speed limit. The speed limit on the road they are 50, so we need to take our time for real, you see me? Yeah. Because new traffic fines out and trust me, no nice people. Some big money. You understand? Yeah. So just now, I'm supposed to Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard or highway. You will see the correct information in our left hand corner. So whatever the road name right is, so right in our left hand corner, you look for it now, and that's it name. Right, just our flour mills, alright? On the left hand side. Yeah, Jamaica flour mill. Yeah, out there so. I know if we make Jamaica make them own flour, you know, we're not even sure. I'm not even sure, people, if we do, honestly. I'm not even sure. Trust me. But yeah, that's where the flour package and come from. Yep. And if you're heading to the airport, you know this is the road that you would take, right? Yeah, Norman Manley International Airport. Yeah, this is the road where you would take if you are good there, so. Yeah. And again, me apologize about the sunlight, people. I don't know. I don't know if it fully in the camera or if a piece side or what. But I have a lens on the camera, I have a filter over the lens, so that's supposed to minimize the glare. Yeah. Yeah, so right now on the left hand side, you have Carib Cement Factory. Yeah, out that's where cement come from, people. Out that's so. Out that's where it come from. Alright. Yeah. Hello, morning. Oh. Yeah, man, yeah. So, you better me just park it then and jump in your vehicle. Alright. But which part is now? Boom. About yeah, I almost reach run about basically a harbour view. Yeah. So when you say my shooters, what for them? Alright, cool. People, so as you know, this is a Harbour View roundabout. Yeah, so within a Harbour View community, you get me? Yeah, my people. You know the thing go. Yeah. Over on my right hand side, you have Donald Quarry High School. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Oh yeah, DQ as them call it. Yeah. And we are approaching Shooters Hill community, yeah. Shooters Hill area. Yeah, that's how we are approaching right now. You understand? Yeah, man. So this was a really quick drive, you know, people. Yeah, a long thing. That is a taxi. Maybe a nice on the road. Alright, my people, so guess what? As I said, this was a quick one, Zin. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, alright? Yeah. So I just want to say, yo, I give thanks for the support and everything. And yeah man, a 876 by Bergs, you know, my people. And yeah, I'm gonna say I'm out right here, right? I'm gonna wait till me reach a shooters hill. Right at the foot of a shoot. In there around the corner, just still, you know. Yeah. Sure, now we wanna enter shooters hill. When the bull day section I done it, I go mad, you know. But yeah, so when you see that man here with the baby name and they say that take it for go up there, alright? Yeah. Yeah, my people. And look at the coastline out there, people. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the sun I could not get to see the thing properly, you know. But it's beautiful, and when the road are done, it go so nice. Me I tell you now, the road go so nice for people. You get me? So yeah. Alright, watch it pre now. As me say, it's a short drive. Wasn't a long one, alright? A quick trip this one was. So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. As me say, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. As me say, yeah, at 876 by Bergs, and I'm out, alright? Bless up. Alright, yeah, my pass shooters in me I come around. Wait up on the right early. Oh, I see it. Alright. How do you, brother?
I'm going to make a right turn to go on the
over yourself?
Yeah.
Alright.
So the light most of the green thing for the right.
You attack right yourself?
Yeah, right.
Alright. Oh, I see. Yo, I'm not lying still, brother. You see when out as a done still? Yo, just trust me. Because you see the view where you have got the coastline there and everything, the whole stretch of road from St. Thomas coming straight.
Right, where the left operation
yeah. The stretch, everything coming, brother, trust me. Yo.
It look nice.
It a go nice, brother.
A while.
Yeah, trust me. It don't take forever. It don't take forever, yo, but when it done, I tell you, all them evening drive coming in at the evening with all the sunset and everything, it a go mad, man.
Straight down, take the left and come back.
Alright. Must me come over them part there, brother.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.